Hey guys, welcome back to Manuel Pura. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I am the owner of Manuel Pura. I run this business with my husband from our flat in London. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this blue tamsin face gel. It's really easy, simple recipe and ingredients. So if you guys want to know how I made this lovely face gel, then keep on watching. So let's make our blue tamsin face gel. We're gonna start off with our glycerin. We are making a 15 grams batch of this. So glycerin, we need 1.2 grams. We're using glycerin at 8%. And then we're going to add a preservative, which is 0.15 grams. We're using it at 1%. And then we're going to add our blue tamsin extract at 0.3 grams. It's blue tamsin essential oil. And then we're going to mix all of these ingredients together. And once all of these ingredients has been mixed in together, now it's time to add our distilled water. So for our distilled water, we're adding 13.2 grams. We're using distilled water at 88%. And once we've added our distilled water, mix it in real well. And then now it's time to add our gelling agent, and we're using Zepemaxen. We're using it at 2%, so we need 0.3 grams. So sprinkle the Zepemaxen on top of your water and do not disturb it. Cover it and set it aside for about 6 to 8 hours. And the Zepemaxen is going to absorb into your liquid. Leave it to set, and then when we come back, all we simply have to do is mix everything together. Okay, so our face gel have been sitting here for about 7 hours. So this is our blue tamsin face gel. So we're just going to quickly mix all of this together. And what the Zepemaxen has allowed to happen is for the blue tamsin essential oil to be able to fully absorb into our water solution without creating any separation. Zepemaxen, you can use oils without any other emulsifiers up to a certain percentage. So small amounts, of course. So as you can see, that has really incorporated into our face gel, and it smells so good, guys. Oh, I can't wait to see how this look like in our sterilized container. So let's bring that in and then place this in. I think I went a bit too crazy with the color. That's why it's a little bit darker than it should be, but nonetheless is perfect. I love it. So now this is what, let me see if I can brighten the color a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see the true color. This is what it looks like. It's definitely a gorgeous blue, deep blue color like that. I don't think the camera does it justice from this angle, but nonetheless, let's take a picture. Okay, let me get it from, oh, that's better. So look at the color right here. This is a gorgeous blue.